The Fish Innovation Lab is trying to look at how we can help poor people, men, women, and children have better nutrition in their lives. So we have some scientists that are working on this aquaculture and fisheries and marine fisheries side. And then we have people like us who are social scientists who are trying to understand like how fish and fish products flow from where they're caught to where people actually eat them.
We're focusing on specific regions in Zambia that have the highest stunting rate, and so that's a mark of low nutrition. And so within Zambia, we're looking at these regions that are especially affected.
It's also going to bring to the fore some of the challenges facing the fish value chain in Zambia, especially with regards to participation and entry into the fish value chain activities. And by so doing, it will inform the government of Zambia's investment into the fisheries sector.
We're looking at trying to replace fish meal in the diet of tilapia with a single-cell protein. And the idea here is to replace one of the more costly feed ingredients with a more concentrated and hopefully less expensive feed ingredient. And so if we can reduce production costs at the farm level, at the aquaculture farm level, then the cost of that protein product produced through aquaculture should also be reduced to the consumer.
To figure out how to get more fish to young women or women of childbearing age and their 2-year-old and under children, we need to understand how that fish is coming off the boat and then where is it going after it comes off the boat. And so there's a big issue around what's called fish loss or fish waste, and that's when fish is taken from the boat and it can go bad very quickly in hot climates like Zambia, and if it's not processed right away where they don't have ice to put it on like we do in our ice chests. And what do you do when you don't have that?
It is important to explore culturally acceptable and sustainable solutions to the problem of undernutrition in low-income countries such as Zambia.
This particular project will have application to other countries that are producing tilapia. Of course, tilapia is a very important fish species that's produced in aquaculture, not only in Zambia, but around the world.
The initial win, I think, would be just to have a very clear understanding of what's actually going on in Zambia, especially in the region where we're working, and then we can start thinking about bigger wins down the road.
We'll be able to figure out what are the next steps, what are the interventions that we can develop that are going to be culturally sound and resonate with the people that we're trying to help, and trying to get more fish into households, and especially into the poor households.